So hi, if you're looking for a very great free exercise, go out in a blizzard, in a freaking snowy blizzard that is going on right now in Russia. And the trip that would actually take me around 5 minutes took me about 20 to reach my art studio today. Uh, it was awful. I was covered in snow, the snow was everywhere. I had like 20 centimeters for my feet to walk. You know, you'll be doing like sort of a catwalk all the time. And I'm like, I feel my tummy, my press is getting stronger thanks to this exercise. And yes, it was joyful. So you wake up and you see everything is covered in snow, and the cars cannot move, public transport cannot move, people cannot move, nobody can move, so we're stuck. But lucky today I'm here, and so yeah, later on my friend, she's coming over to congratulate me on my birthday, and we will be repotting one of my plants. I have a lot of plants here in my art studio, and they all in desperate need of repotting. So she's the plant wizard, and she's going to help me to do that. And she will also explain me what she's doing, why she's doing it, and how to do it. So maybe in the future I can do it myself, hopefully. So oh yeah, I forgot to introduce myself. Yes, hi, my name is Marina, and I'm an artist from Russia. Welcome to my art studio, and I hope you enjoy this video. So I just finished working, and I did these 5 artworks, framed them, made some videos, and now I need to do some cleaning. It's currently what, 4:30 p.m. here, and I'm tired. So these artworks I did for a art fair that is coming soon, and actually tomorrow I need to go and drop it off at the gallery, sign the contract, and I don't know, talk about things with the girls over there. So I want to invite you to go and clean with me, because I actually like watching other people clean. That's why I'm filming it. And it's not a big mess, but still a mess, because tomorrow I have students coming over to my art studio and I need to prepare the space for them so it's clean and nice. So let's go. Okay, table done. I put back all of my old artworks. It's clean. I just need to wash the brushes and also clean here. And then clean. Just need to return this value. And this one remains on my table, and we need to do this. The book can go here. My bag, and also need to put my iPad in my bag. So all done. Now I go home. Today is another day, and I've been making some Instagram posts in the morning, and now I need to pack some postcards, the new ones that I made. This is for the new year. It's like this at the back. Have my QR code, my website address, and my Instagram nickname. And you can see here is a tiny detail of a leaf, which I like. And on the first one, there is also a leaf. Here it is, small one, because I love plants, so I try to use them. And I love hands, and I love red fingers. And another one is the same as this one, only the background is lighter. And it also has like a leaf. Here's my 3 New Year cards, and you need to put them into these kind of transparent envelopes. All done. See? So I want to paint this artwork today. I started it yesterday and now I need to work on some details. So I'm working on this hand right now, and I have my photo reference in front of me, so I need to make it okay, because some places I'm not really satisfied with, and then I will slowly move to other parts, because this is just the beginning stage of my artwork. It's very messy, but I actually like the way it is now. Just I want to refine some particular points, like hands, the face, the neck, and the panther. But maybe I will leave the jacket and the dress as it is, because the roughness of it, I actually really like it. So yeah, and this painting is actually one of the paintings of my series. I hope I said that correct. So yeah, I think you can see them behind me. So I will work on it now. I have whole day today. All my students cancelled their class because some are sick. The others are having school classes, so they can't make it on time. So I'm all to myself today, which I like. So let's start. So I just finished working on this painting, but it's not done yet. I will make some more adjustments to it when it's dry, and now I need to fix this problem because they're not hanging straight, and I want to rearrange all of them actually, so it's nice and can be fit on the wall. Maybe I will move them over there. I don't know. Look at him looking at me, judging me. So yeah, let's do that. So I moved 3 of the series over there. I left the big one here, and I moved these 3 up because I still need to make one more. And I found I have a nice paper, so I put it up. I want to maybe make some sketches today. It's nice. Yeah, and this one, move it back. Here are all my oil supplies and acrylics at the bottom. Oh, Jesus. I know it will be in the way. Move it here. It's like this. That's mine. I always move it around so it's okay if it's somewhere in the middle. And I need to move my easel. I recently made wheels for it, so it came without wheels, and me and my boyfriend attached it. Actually, he attached it. I only did one. So yeah, usually my easel is over here. And I need to put this one back. The hood. So yeah, and I also need to figure out where to put these, because I took them from the wall. They were over there. And They were taking space because these two are empty, and this one, I don't know, it's similar with that one, so I need to find, maybe I will put it up over there. I still have some space in here. So the wall there is very hard and I cannot pierce my nails through it. It's too tough. So I think I will find another place for that artwork. That one is perfectly fine over there. I don't know how I got it in. So it's another day and I actually ended up placing that painting on another wall. So here it is next to another two paintings in a similar frames and a similar format. So it's right next to my door. Now it will be here. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below, or maybe you're an artist like myself, just at the beginning of their journey. Let's chat. And if you like this video, please leave it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you when I'll see you. Bye.